Today we are at the Magic Kingdom. I got on my snack gear. I'm tired. I didn't film this morning because it was pouring raining again.
Hey, I want to say
It was pouring raining again. Hopefully the rain lets up later, but I'm not really sure. But right now we're trying to get on as many indoor rides as we can until the rain lets up. Right now we're getting on the Lightyear Ranger Spin. So yeah.
Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's.
I say hi to vlog. Hi. I say hi to vlog. We're going on Small World before Peter Pan's flight because Peter Pan's flight standby entrance is 85 wait time.
We did a couple rides actually. We were able to do Barnstormer a couple times. We did what else did we do? We did like the Little Mermaid. Right now we're doing Small World. We have a fast pass for Peter Pan's flight at 10:20. It's about to be 10 o'clock, so we're gonna ride Small World. Hopefully by the time we get out we can just hop on Peter Pan's flight. Honestly, if you guys want to come to the park, rainy days are the best days to come to the park because it's like super slow. All the wait times are like between 10 and 30 minutes. The highest wait time in here right now is Peter Pan's flight, which is 85 minutes. But even like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is only a 10-minute wait. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is closed down right now, but hopefully it'll open back up throughout the day. As of right now it's closed, so we're going to try to do most of the rides here. I think we can get most of the rides done this morning. Our plan was to kind of do some rides and then go back to the hotel and take a break and then come back later. But I'm not sure if we're going to do that anymore because we wanted to come and watch the fireworks later, but I really don't want to see fireworks in the rain. So if it continues to rain throughout the day, we'll probably won't come back later to do it. We'll probably ride Space Mountain one more time though. Well, Kenyon and Mike will ride it. If the wait time isn't that long. When we were there, it was about 30 minutes, which wasn't that bad, but we had a fast pass. But my ears are becoming ruined.
Oh, the ones I like.
It finally stopped raining. So we're gonna go get something to eat because we're hungry. And then
And me too.
and you too, okay. And you too? You too, Kenyon?
Let me go on that ferry ride.
It's not a ride. We're gonna get something to eat and then we're gonna go back. We have a fast pass for Haunted Mansion at 11:30.
What time is
It's about 10:30 now. So by the time we finish eating, it'll be time for our fast pass.
it?
And yeah. The beautiful castle. Oh, okay. Oh, Wes.
So good. Wes, you get in there.
Which way you walking?
Hey, Duck.
What are you doing with that thing? The Disney dog?
Right. I think, yeah, this is it. Wait, take it, right here, I'll stand right there.
Why does she even here?
So we just had like a snack at Casey's Corner, and now we're about to get on Haunted Mansion. We have a fast pass in about 5 minutes, so we're gonna get on that, and then probably just relax for a little bit. And we have a fast pass with Thunder.
Go-kart.
I think. Well, it's raining. I don't want to go on go-karts. I want to go on go-karts, and it's raining outside. But then we'll probably, maybe we'll wait for Pirates of the Caribbean. It's about 40 minutes, but our next fast pass isn't until 2 o'clock, so we might as well wait on something. But we pretty much got everything that we wanted to do done today, except for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and Splash Mountain, but they were both down. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train just opened back up, but it's like a 200-minute wait, and I'm not waiting 200 minutes for no ride. But we'll probably come back later and do Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, because tonight there's extra magic hours at Magic Kingdom until 1 a.m., so that's kind of cool. So yeah, we're going to do that. And later, actually, we're changing resorts. We're leaving Pop Century and we're actually going over to Hilton Bonnet Creek. So I will show you guys that later. But right now, we're just waiting for Mike. He kind of got lost in the crowd, so we're hoping he finds his way back. So, yeah. Gonna go on Haunted Mansion. We got a fast pass.
Mommy, this doesn't look like the real Haunted Mansion.
Use that one.
Please use both sides. Everyone left and right side. Charlotte, where are you?
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always...
Here comes the run.
I only remember 2 parts.
So what part do you remember?
So I remember when the first part, I remember when I was watching TV. Then he showed us a picture of his grandma and grandpa.
Oh yeah.
Kids.
Oh yeah. You do remember. Go. I'm right here. It's a small world after all. So we came back out to Magic Kingdom. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're about to go see the fireworks. It finally stopped raining. Like I told you guys earlier, we actually changed hotels.
We gotta go on
Stop, Kenyon.
progress first.
We actually changed hotels to the Hilton Orlando and Bonnet Creek. So far, so good. The hotel is really, really nice. So we're at the transportation center. That's where the shuttle from the Hilton dropped us off at. So now we've got to catch the monorail over to Magic Kingdom. So that's what we're doing right now. Looks like we just missed that one, so we got to catch the next one. Hi, baby. We're gonna go see the fireworks show.
Destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough.